Hi, I'm David Lum with TechRadar here at CES 2020, and we have the Withings ScanWatch, Withings' latest hybrid smartwatch that is an analog dial with a little bit of digital functionality. Now, it is Withings' priciest smartwatch yet, but it comes with increased functionality. Yes, it has an active ECG, but also a passive heart rate monitor to see if you have any arrhythmias, in which case you would then need to take an active ECG. But it also helps with your sleep too. It monitors sleep apnea. It won't do this every night, you have to manually set it. But you'll go through a night, it'll check whether you have any interrupted breathing. That is, it'll scan through your veins and see if you have a lower blood oxygen saturation level. And if it's lower, then you need to probably go see a doctor and treat something like that. But with the price comes a little bit of added class. Withings surveyed its users and they wanted something a little nicer. So instead of a plastic, you have a sapphire glass front screen, and you also have for the first time a digital crown which lets you sift through all the different modes and meters. Now, you aren't going to be able to see a lot in this tiny screen except for the ECG, but all that data is going straight to your phone, so it'll passively track your sleep, track your workouts, and track your heart rate. That all goes straight to your phone, which you can look at it with a paired app. It's essentially minimized, so you have an attractive watch face that you're carrying around. It's not the cheapest as it used to be. The other Withings smartwatches you can get for about half the price of this, but it's added class, more functionality, and a little less of digital, a little more of a timeless look. I'm David Lum, this is TechRadar at CES. Keep tuned.